So here we have our new industrial cellular router called iSITE. It comes with lots of accessories, built-in GPS. It's a 30 watts per port PoE switch and a router. So here you have your Wi-Fi, your auxiliary, your GPS, and your main connection. When it's lit up, it will show you a signal. It shows you when your SIM's connected. You can set up VPNs, ports 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the LAN, PoE. The WAN isn't PoE. It comes with a mounting bracket in the box, so you can screw it to, clip it onto a DIMM rail or screw it to a wall. Other accessories that are in here include the GPS antenna, the mounting bracket, the Cat5 cable, Wi-Fi antenna, another 4G connector. You have your RS232 485 connections on the top, and these are also, you can use these for open close contacts as well. It's dual SIM. You can input a micro SD. In the box is also desktop power supply. You can always use an industrial power supply if needed. And so basically you have everything here to achieve what you need to do when you remotely deploy a system and need 3-4G connectivity.